Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 5, and today I'll show you how to put this device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, what you want to do is hold the power key and select power off. And once the device turns off, hold power key and volume up. So let's do that right now, power, volume up, both of them at the same time. This will take you to the boot mode. So in here, using volume keys, you want to navigate in order to select recovery mode, as it is visible right here on the top. And once you see it, confirm it with power key. And once you're in the recovery mode, again using volume keys, you want to scroll down and select enter Fastboot, power key again, and there we go, Fastboot mode. So that is how you boot into it, and once you're done with it, all you need to do is select either reboot system now or power off the device, whichever one you want. So power off is right here, or reboot. And again, just as before, confirm it with power key, navigate with volume keys. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.